all-wheel drive, AWD, 2.3 liters EcoBoost engine, reserve equipment group, technology package, climate package, THX2 surround sound system, lane keeping system, adaptive cruise control with collision warning, navigation, backup camera, blind spot monitoring system, plush heated and cooled leather interior, Sync 3 voice activated Bluetooth system, panoramic vista roof, remote start, hands-free liftgate, and much more. With any questions and to take advantage of this internet special, please contact Jeremiah Wright. Ask him about financing, extended service plan, or an auto check history report and Carfax. Please call us to check availability and to schedule a test drive. Prices do not include G8 of tag, or title. Must print ad to receive quoted price and signed by Internet Manager. X_. Subject to prior sale. Not responsible for typographical errors or VIN-generated errors. Please visit our home website to view a free auto check history report and Carfax.